So I cut out more of my wall to easier access the HVAC pipes. Once you know, I forgot about the power line. Sawzalled halfway through that joker. So I had to saw out more of the wall, and I'm gonna have to take out wall over here so I can make a repair. And I have to have a junction box that I could get to from out here. Crazy. What's going on, guys? John with TheProCut. Been freaking going at it all weekend. My little tiny house here that I live in. Oh, look at that. I got expanding foam. Ugh, that kind of hurt. Not gonna lie. I had a lid blow up off the damn expanding foam jar because I was foaming in right there where the AC lines go through the floor. But at any rate, when I built this house, it was 6 years ago. This was my first house built by myself, so all the mistakes got made here. I didn't put flashing down along that bottom edge there, and so I've got water damage in my subfloor. So I just had to upgrade my HVAC system. My mini split failed on me after 6 years, so I just got a new one of those the other day, and I figured since I had the wall partially ripped apart, I may as well upgrade it and fix it. So I stripped all the old siding off of the wall. Then I had to take the deck boards off so I could put flashing down underneath, then house wrap. I added an inch of rigid insulation, and then I put the siding on. Gonna have an additional outside outlet over here. You can see I've got my window marked out. Be in the same place. And that's it. It's getting late. I'm tired. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, so the window's gonna have to wait for another day. But I will be putting a new window back in there. And again, upgrading. I had just cheap aluminum windows in there, upgrading to a vinyl. That's all for today. Hope you guys had a good, productive weekend. John with TheProCut, signing out. Thanks for watching.